Hello everyone, my name is Virali.
Hi, I'm Anushri Chandak.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Bartwal.
Hi, I'm Anushka Shetty.
This is Abhishek Goyal.
And I'm currently on my placement here at Kingston University.
I just completed my master's in the field of finance from Kingston University, which I would just summarize by saying it was an incredible experience altogether. Currently, I am on my professional placement year as the course opted by me is a thick sandwich course which offered me an opportunity to enhance my knowledge by providing a professional placement year. And currently, I am working as an accounts assistant for a company named Phone Gadgets and Accessories.
Working as an HR intern at a startup company.
Working as an account associate in an accounting firm.
Working as a supply chain manager at an FMCG firm.
Working as a finance controller at Kingston Lodge Hotel.
I will be speaking at the postgraduate work placement webinar on 16th March Tuesday, which begins at 2:30 p.m. IST. If you'd like to ask me any questions about my experience, sign up to the webinar using the link provided
And find out how placement courses at Kingston University can enhance your career.